Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up job search networking with Meetup and LinkedIn integration, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating your LinkedIn profile if you haven't done so already. Go to www.linkedin.com and click on the Join Now button. Fill in your basic information and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once your profile is set up, focus on adding a professional profile picture and cover photo. Next, write a compelling headline that reflects your career goals and expertise. Now, complete your profile by adding your work experience, education, and skills. Once your LinkedIn profile is polished, navigate to the website www.meetup.com. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button and filling out your information. Explore Meetup to find groups related to your career interests or local job markets. Join relevant groups that align with your professional goals. Once you join, take time to introduce yourself in the group discussions. Check the events calendar to find networking opportunities that interest you. RSVP to events that catch your attention and fit your schedule. Before attending an event, research the attendees or speakers for potential networking opportunities. Prepare an elevator pitch to introduce yourself effectively at the event. When attending a meetup, engage with participants actively and exchange contact information. After the event, follow up with the people you met on LinkedIn. Connect with them by sending a personalized connection request. Mention your meetup encounter and express your interest in staying in touch. Continue to engage with your new contacts by sharing useful resources or insights. Regularly update your LinkedIn profile with new skills or accomplishments. Participate in more meetup events to expand your network further. Monitor both platforms for opportunities or events that can enhance your professional journey. With consistent effort, you'll create a powerful job search network on Meetup and LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.